Happy Monday, family! We back! Long weekend, but we back. Ready to pass these Tradeify accounts. We only need $1,000 today. $1,500 total. $2,500 in the for these accounts, which I really like about these daily payout accounts. But that's what we're looking at. Let's get this shared out real quick. I'm just gonna send this clip. Copy. 1 second. And let's get it. I'm now yours. I'm gonna make sure my sound is off. Good morning, work. Good morning, King. Let's get it. Happy Monday, sir. Hope your weekend was stellar. We only need $1,000 today. Let's take a quick look at our hourly chart. See what we actually are looking at here. We did end up running those highs to the 25,900s about. Let's have a great day, brother. I love it, work. Love the energy, King. Jay, how we doing, sir? Good morning, King. Happy Monday. Super cold week. Super cold week. I hear you, bro. It's freezing temperatures here. Oh, why did my weather just pull up? Yeah, it's freezing temperatures here, too. Unless you're talking about... What you mean specifically, though? Let's get it, let's get it, let's go! Hourly chart, we pushed up to the 25.9s. Kind of personally expecting a little bit of a dip, but I also think that's how we lose, and this probably just keeps printing the upside. Like freezing, brother. Yeah, dude. I hear you. It's it was 8 degrees last night. Right now it's 14. Look at the volatility coming. Opening print candle. Here we go. Good morning, Danny. Welcome in, Queen. Mad Max King, how we doing? Well, happy Monday. Hope your weekends were in stellar. Here trying to make some money. NASDAQ looking strong off the print here. Kind of have a feeling we might want to go get this candle high, but I don't know. Previous day high. Previous week high. Look at the market. Strong right now. Opening print candle is at the 780s. Already into the 820s. About 40 points so far. Yay! Yay! She's moving, guys. Happy Monday. GPT, good morning, King. Happy to have you in here, Matrix. Yes, sir. Happy Monday, Kings, Queens. Hope you guys' weekend was stellar. Right now, the market's getting excited already. 778 to 8833. That's one candle. 60-point opening print candle. Maybe some volatility today. Already taking out new high of day right now. Longs are kind of doing something right now. Already showing up. Morning to all. Let's get it. Good morning, Diego. Welcome in, King. Happy Monday. Hope your weekend was great. Loving the energy, family. Let's get paid today, huh? Market already showing itself. 780s up into the 850s. We're out 70 points here. Is there any reason to believe we could continue to not go see this liquidity up here? Friday was interesting. We went all the way up and then went right back down. So I don't necessarily want to fade this or chase this right away, but I am feeling longs. We're going to give it some time to play out, though. Quick 50. Come on, Jay. Easy. I'm out. Long 791 to 841. That 50 is all we need today. Looking for $1,000, 50 points. Kind of want to take a long at this EMA. Kind of want to, kind of don't. Good morning, Pobby. Welcome in, King. Hope your weekend was stellar, brother. Feeling excited this week, guys. I think we have a lot of opportunity. Everything is playing nice. We just got to do our thing and lock in here. Need $1,000 for today. And then if we are able to get that, we only need $500 tomorrow. It's a 3-day pass. Not exactly loving a 3-day pass combine, but daily payouts, the potential's there. I was doing the math. It's like literally just 40% more money. So if you get if we bring one account up to 10 grand, which obviously we're copy trading 5, so we bring these accounts up to 10 grand, you have like $35,000 in payouts between like daily payouts of 1,000 all the way down to 2,500. So could be interesting. If we get a pull into this EMA, I think I am going to take a stab at it. I'm going to send you my setup that I'm in for today. Been in since 9 a.m. on gold. Let's go work. Man has been in since the early start. Trading that gold. What is gold doing right now? Let's take a peek at it real quick. Kind of sideways. Not a lot going on. I guess you could find on one of these bottoms maybe, but... excuse me. Excuse me. TLR, good morning, King. Welcome in, brother. Happy Monday. Sheesh, 35K. I know, Poppy. You bring one set of accounts up to 10 grand. You have 35K in payouts before they get back to that 2,500. So, pretty attractive, but let's just dial in here first. Really interesting that we just front ran. We might as well take out this candle at 868, right? I think I have to try a long here, guys. I'm going to take a little poke at it. Taking a little attempt at this. I have a quick stop on. Just want to see if we can find a reaction. Sellers could easily be winning this spot too, so. Sellers could easily be winning this spot too. I want to see some excitement from these longs, possibly, maybe. Small chance. EMA is going to be a quick little chance. Show me some love here, EMA. Not liking the reaction so far. I want a little bit more of a pull off of it. We're holding, though. Price is holding. Show me some excitement, Nazi. Looking to see this 821s hold. If we do get a fire, we do 871s to exit. So I'm going to go ahead and put buy 5 or sell 5 limit up here. Sell 5 stop is going to be put in soon as well. But I just want to see if we can go take out this high first. I'm not really loving our exit price, actually, having to be swept through this previous wick. Our exit at the 71s is through the Friday high. So I might have to look before that, but we'll see here. Show me some reaction, NASDAQ. Hold this EMA. That inverts. That candle inverts. We're going to look pretty nice here. It's kind of shaping up okay. The EMA really had us to give us a reaction here. Expecting longs, but never know. You never know, do we? We just never have an idea. I like this candle if it can hold. I'm going to put our stop loss to break even if we can get this to invert through this level at these 35s. If we can get up through there, I'm going to put break even on. Not really the reaction I wanted to see after holding the EMA here. I like that we have some battling at our price. Lots of wicks. The longs are trying to defend, but it's not my favorite right now. I wanted a little bit of a cleaner move off that start. Might have to close this for a break even, guys. Was looking for a little bit of love, but I don't know. Kind of think the shorts are going to be in for the next couple moments. I wanted to see a rotation to the top of the range, but I really wanted to see this Friday wick get traded through. But now that this candle's inverted so heavily, it's kind of scary. I wanted to see this wick get traded. We never took it, and now we're kind of inverting this candle. Not my favorite to see. It's going to be patient. Going to be closing this fairly soon. Welcome to everybody stopping in this morning. Appreciate you guys for spending the Monday. Help your weekend with stellar. Right now, we're trying to see if we can find a reaction to these 821s. We're holding the EMA. Not my favorite way that we're turning at price. I want to see this out. I wanted to see this previous Friday close get taken out. We kind of found some resistance there, but let's see if we can get a little bit of movement here. We're now the line in the sand. Got to find some excitement here from the longs. Otherwise, this trade is going to probably be dead. I think we could maybe come down into like these 800s could try to be a hold. Maybe even lower, down in like these 780s. So, not really my favorite. I do like the decompressed selling volume here, though. I'm still holding confidence. I'm not trading today. I'm hella tired. Haven't slept. Hey, what you doing not sleeping, King? Where is VWAP? Great point, TLR. Appreciate you, man. Where my VWAP at? Why did it just take it right off my chart, dudes? Gosh. VWAP, please. Wait. Explore. So I have to go back and add it. So, yeah, I just took it completely off my chart for some reason. Why? I don't know. What's our trade doing? We're down still. We're still under. And I can't even get my VWAP added. What is happening here? I like this decompressed selling volume, guys. I'm not going to get scared out of this quite yet. I like the fact that we could be still holding here. Chart settings. EMA volume ATR Bollinger. Yeah, I just took it off completely. Actively used. Popular. VWAP, please. Is anybody else having this issue right now? Anybody else? NASDAQ. Holding our price now. Get up there, girl. Show me some excitement. Sadly, we are looking for the 871, so it's not my favorite fill, but let's be patient here. Starting to get a little bit of a reaction back. Got to hold this EMA. Good morning, newbie. Welcome in, Queen. Appreciate you for stopping in. Hope your weekend was stellar. Not able to get this price to come back and hold here. I want to put our VWAP on. I don't really like that. I guess I'll just put this one on for now, even though I don't like it. Actually, I don't even want that one. Looking to battle for this price, guys. We got in an early trade. We are in on the 4th minute. Getting close to our 10th. Let's be patient here. Good morning. Good luck today, bro. Sunny Minecraft. Appreciate it so much. Thanks for the vibes. Hope your weekend was great. Right now, price is not being kind to us, though. I was wanting to see this EMA hold. We got the decompressed selling volume, but then once we try to find a price back through, sellers are still defending. I'm going to have to be probably trading for the bottom of this range. I want to see these 800s try to hold, but it's not feeling great right now. It's not feeling very good right now. Longs are trying, but sellers are taking in control. I don't like that this hourly candle inverted so heavy. It's the only thing I'm not liking about this trade right now. Good morning, Ronnie. Welcome in, King. VWAP is around the 89s. Thank you so much, Queen. That was a VWAP touch. Thank you so much. That would have been very useful to know prior to our trade. Oh, so we just got a VWAP tap at these 89s. Means I don't really want to see price give this up at all. I want to see us find some reaction here. Otherwise, I'm just going to close this for a small little loss. That was a VWAP touch. I want to see this hourly candle start regaining this. We got to try to reclaim this EMA now. Obviously, the line in the sand at these 820s is the new obstacle. Not my favorite. I really didn't like that. I don't have VWAP. Bro's a legend doing this every day. You're a legend, Pobby. Thanks so much for being here, King. Would not be the same without you, brother. Straight up. Oh, can we get some love, though, Nazi? Can we get up through this EMA here? You're teasing me. I feel like these longs are going to pop in here soon, but also we're under price. Opening print candle being the support. I don't love it. Don't love it right now. I'm not going to lie to y'all. Got to get through the EMA, obviously our price, and then really it's this flatness in around these 32s is going to be the clear obstacle. If we get through the 30s, I think we'd be pretty clear to at least top of the range. But I don't like the way that we're handling this VWAP. The VWAP should have been a little bit more excited from these longs as it being 9:30 in the morning, meaning that the high time frames would have been really responsive to that. Here's another VWAP tap. Not really loving it, guys. Should have had a stop loss on this trade. Never even put one in. Bottom of this opening print candle. I'm going to have to try to see if we can hold. Otherwise, might be cooked here. Want to see us hold this bottom of the opening print candle. Otherwise, longs are really looking weak right now. Yeah, longs are looking really beat up. Everyone like the stream. Let's get Tyler to hit 20 likes if we can do it. Hey, work. Being the man right there. The man, the myth, the moderator. 20 likes, family. It's our goal. We got 25 people watching. That means that if just 5 of y'all, everyone but 5. I got to manage this trade, though. I'm really trying to see the reaction at this opening print candle price. This is where the longs kind of came in. I'm trying to give them a room here to show themselves. Otherwise, I'm going to have to take a loss on this trade. If the sellers are just going to keep showing themselves, they might just be enough here. Here comes some excitement. Let's see if we can find some carry through with that. Nice little candle. Can we find it through this EMA? This has got to find some continuation. Nice little reaction there. Let's be patient. We're not through the woods yet. We got to really hold the EMA here. Otherwise, this is just going to keep going right back to where it came from. I like the volume here, though. I like to see these volume. Got to see this close. Got to see a strong close here. Past my combine. Let's go, Danny. W's for the queen in the chat. She just passed the combine right now. Love seeing it. Good short. I'm assuming you rode this thing down. Come on, NASDAQ. Can you hold this EMA? I want to see a strong close here. Got to hold this EMA and got to try to keep pushing through. Here we go, longs. Show me something now. Show me something here, longs. Stop loss is going to have to be in around. I hate it, but it's going to have to be at these 825s. Probably like realistically right here. So I'm going to go sell 5 stop. Here's my stop loss now officially in. Kind of want this below this range actually, like right here. Taking a loss on it if we get there. Otherwise, want to see if we can get back to this break even. Longs showed up a little bit. Don't really love their reaction. I want to see some continuation. Obviously, we have some flat prices. Check out this little flag here that could break, possibly. Got to get through this little yellow line now. If we do, I think we're going to be fairly decent to at least try out these 30s. If we can hold a breakout here, NASDAQ. Hold this breakout, Nazi. Come on, longs. Where you at? I think this is going to keep breaking down right now, honestly. It's not the candle I wanted to see. You don't really want to see a doji after that volume. You want to see the continuation attempts. Instead, the sellers defended it well. Yeah, I think this is going to be pretty painful for us to watch. Gosh. It's hard. I'm actually tempted to like close this early, but I also have a bad feeling that it could be the support, but I don't really love this trade anymore, guys. We'll see how this candle closes, I guess. Shouldn't be weak though. Yeah, that's a weak close. We're through the trend, but we're not really able to break through. We're still holding. EMA's riding. I think we're going to take a big loss on this. Fuck. That volume came in. I thought we might have been saved, but no, sir. Right back to the bottom of the range here. Wow, we're whipping, though. We really are whipping. That was another EMA VWAP touch. It's so hard without my VWAP on right now. Good morning, Amy. Welcome in, King. Sorry I didn't see you. Sorry, distracted right now. Way to show the love, that Max. Sure did. She needs to go up for you. She does need to go up for me, but whatever. I entered the 800. Let's see what happens. She needs to go up for us, Queen, but she ain't behaving right now. Trying to see these 800s hold. Amy's in at the 800s. Can we get a push through these 800s? It's really trying to, but I don't like this reaction at all. This is 930 volume. We should be getting a little bit better movement, and we're not whatsoever, so... Like, we're through this trend that I want to see hold. Just got to find some support. Can we get up through this EMA? EMA has been just suppressing this market all morning so far. Since the sellers have been in control. I want to see them lose control here and see what will happen. But you can see they're just smashing sells at these bids, at this volume, at this EMA. Wow. It's going to roll all the way over. Painful price action this morning. My gosh. Our box is in. Let's get our range drawn. I really don't like this trade anymore, family, sadly. I wanted to see some support, and we just cannot fucking find it. Yeah, we're going to take a loss. So frustrating.
Stop.
So frustrating. So frustrating. Even it looks like it wants to go up now. I closed at break even on the gold. I was profit at 930 bucks. Hey, let's go work. Still holding the VWAP. Trade cautious. Blew my account today. Keep learning. Let's go, Richner. You know the game, brother. Always on the process of getting better. Sorry to hear it though. Straight through VWAP now. Yeah, Queen. Straight through the VWAP. Fucking fuck. Terrible. Terrible, 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 terrible. I do need VWAP, and why can I not get it added? Like, what is going on here? Fuck. Fuck. You know what I mean, family? And it's just not working, so. Damn, that dumped. Okay, King. I'm red as well. Sorry to hear it, Matrix. We're right here, brother. Good morning, Paul. Welcome in, King. Look at the volume. Sellers are still trying. Buyers are trying to hold. We have to try to assume that this is going to continue down, right? Sellers just stepped up with a lot of volume there to push through the bottom of the 15-minute range. I wish I had VWAP so badly. Indicators volume-based. VWAP. Indicators volume-based. Yeah, which is, I mean, I really appreciate it, King. But this is not the one that I really want. But I guess it's better than not having one for the day, so. Absolutely. Take off this little trend line that we have already that broke. Can't take off that, sadly. Volume tried to hold. Look at that wick. Nice little wick there. I have a quick stop loss here.
Order filled.
I think the longs are going to step in now, though. Trying a quick little short right now. Just a tiny one. See if we can get this volume to roll through for us. Seeing if the sellers are going to be serious or if they're going to lose this battle quickly. Just keeping an eye on it tightly here. I don't love that for this trade, there's two things I'm looking at right now. This was a giant selling volume. So I'm shorting the bottom of the 15-minute range, seeing if the shorts are going to continue with this volume. Otherwise, weren't able to push through with the volume. So if the longs hold, we're going to probably find some longs. So just being patient here, looking for a quick little rotation, see what we can find.
Order filled.
I'm actually going to take that right there. Shitty little scalp. Didn't like the trade. I'm done for the day, King. Account locked. Try again tomorrow. Matrix, here for you, brother. Sorry to hear it. But hey, you know what it is, man. It's another day, another day. Load back up. You're just saying, what's up? What's up, Eli? How we doing, King? It's been a little while, brother. Miss you. Hope you're feeling great. Hope you're doing good. Hope the markets have been treating you nice. I'm getting burned at the moment. Girlfriend making gumbo tomorrow, if you know. A little shrimp gumbo, if you know what I mean. Maybe take out Asia Low with the 700s. That would be really nice. I got scared out of my short, and now I'm regretting it, of course. But I didn't like this volume that came in and held this low. This is also this gray line right here, guys, is our daily candle. So anything above this, we're printing bullish. Anything below this, we're printing bearish. On the daily candle, at least. Excuse me. I still think shorts are going to be in control here, guys. (10:30 a.m. news). Why does my Tradeify look different? Good thing I'm only tape reading for practice. That would have scared the shit out of me if I was trading. Your Tradeify looks different. How so, Queen? What do you mean? Is it mine that's different? What you mean, Queen? Yo, there's already 22 amazing people watching though, guys. It means so much to spend your morning with me. Hope your trading's going good. If you guys haven't yet, show some love. Hit that like button. If you're not joining this conversation, you're doing yourself a big disservice. This community is getting bigger, stronger, and better every single day. And we're getting better at this thing, so make sure you're joining it. I really don't love this reaction with these double wicks up top. We have some really choppy price action right now in the overall scheme of the market. If you look at this hourly chart, this is kind of messy. It's a little bit gross, a little bit messy. Gonna be patient. What contract are you on? Maybe I'm behind. I'm on the NQZ5 right now. That could be me as well. Hard to see a strong move now. Do you check Forex Factor, Factory for News? Sonny, I don't often. I've never really seen that, but I know it can be useful, I'm sure. But it is hard to see a strong move now. Like I said, we are stuck in this kind of ugly whiplash. Like, look at all these wicks on an hourly chart. It's not really ideal. It's tough to find movement, so we'll see. Mine is absolutely dumping, and yours is sitting at the 15 really fast. Huh. Anyone else have any price updates? What are we looking at on the NASDAQ right now? Yeah, we're holding right now pretty well at this 15%. I still think this breaks to the downside here, but I'm going to take another short attempt, guys. Looking for another short attempt here. It's teasing a fill on me.
Order filled.
There we go. Race 4 we go there. Don't do me dirty. Find those sellers through this price. We finally get a little push through the range. It's those 750s are really tricky right now. If we get through those, I imagine we'll maybe go see those 700s like you were saying, Queen. I feel like December will be choppy month. Mine is absolutely dumping. Newbie, I'm watching the future, is watching the future. That's why I took a short. She said hers is dumping. I said I'm joining her. Have you never seen Forex Factory? Look it up. It's an economic calendar website. Super helpful. Appreciate that, Sonny. I will. I've heard of it. I just never utilized it myself. But I have heard of it. This feels like we finally broke through. I want to find some more selling now. I like our fill price. I'm going to have to put our stop loss in. Buy 5 stop. It's going to be up through this range. Don't want to see us get anywhere back around there. And I want to see us try to break these off now. These 740s are going to be tricky to break through, clearly. Come down for us, Nazi. We're looking for something nice down here. Let's put our profit in. Where are we at? 763. I technically need, like, I don't know, a lot of points. So for now, let's just see if we can get a little front run. Sell 5 stop. No, buy 5 limit. That's our exit potential. Stop loss is on. Profits on. We're riding. Let's see if we can find some love through these sellers now. We are chopping, so I don't really love it, but yeah, I've never seen something isn't right, LOL. I'm weirded out right now too, newbie. What is going on? 20 people today. Where everyone at? 25 beautiful people. Tide trading bear flags. Okay, PW, LOL. PW, come on. He knows these flags. These flags work sometimes. Not every time, but sometimes. Not every time, but sometimes. We really got to try to break through this bottom here at these 45s. Otherwise, longs could get annoyingly excited through here. Longs get really excited through here if we can't find new lows. We got to keep finding some new lows here. My lips so chapped you could probably hear me smile anyways. What's good, kings and queens? What's good, sobs? Happy Monday, sir. Hope you're feeling great. Hope the weekend was amazing. Get the likes going, people. What do we have for likes, family? There's 26 incredible people watching. If y'all haven't yet, show some love to the like button. It's the easiest way to support the stream if you at all watch frequently. It means the most. Can this thing roll over for me? I feel like I'm getting teased. I want to see these bottom break out, and then from there, I think we're going to find some more selling. See this bottom snap. I don't love the decompressed volume through here. If we don't break new lows here, longs could get a little bit excited, unfortunately for us. So I want to see some excitement from our friends. Here we go. Get down here. Here we go. Let's get down there a little bit now. Obviously, the next wick at these 719s is going to be the next obstacle. I want to see the 700s try to trade through for us, but we'll see. I want to see the 700s try to trade through for us, but we'll find out if that's a likeliness or not. Selling is coming through here. This wick is going to be our clear obstacle. Selling into this wick is going to be the clear obstacle. I want to see 700s maybe, but it feels like we're asking a lot as well. This is a nice amount of selling volume that we've already found here, so. This wick feels like it has to break, right? I hate crusty lips in the winter. Yes, sir. Yeah, I think my Tradeify is bugging. It's even different than TradingView. Tradeify got to get their shit together. I like them, but they can't be doing that to us. Luckily, you are, just like you said, looking for some tape reading practice, but still. I don't mind this volume, guys, but we really got to keep finding new lows here. I don't want to see us holding this wick. Otherwise, longs could get really excited through here for no reason. I want to see this wick get broken through to the downside. From there, I think we'll see the 700s, and then we can reiterate what we need for the accounts. But I want to find this deeper selling through this EMA. We're pulling into it now. Got to see an attempt from our sellers to take out these lows. Anything holding above these lows, again, longs can get a little bit overzealous on us. It's still breaking down on my Tradeify, so someone is getting fired if they're giving prices early. Laugh my ass off because the dump you just rode, I already had seen it. Oh my word. No way, Queen. Take that as you will, guys, but that's something right there. Pulling back into the EMA now for a second attempt. Let's see the sellers continuing to load up. We want to see this low be taken out. I almost am tempted to take a second contract here. I'm almost tempted, but I can't because we already took a little drawdown. So let's just ride this thing. Let's just ride this thing. I would be taking another attempt here if I could afford it. Let's see this thing snap now, though. Come on, sellers. Come snap down here for us. Yes. Newbie's telling us where the price is going. Rough day for the market, it seems, so far. It does, Sonny. December PA is so ass. Yeah, we're in a choppy time of the year for sure. Not the reaction I wanted to see after tapping into the EMA there. I really want to see these shorts close through. Like I said, guys, we got to go get this wick taken out. Otherwise, longs could get excited at any moment. That's so weird, Newbie. It really is. She's giving us levels, family. Do with it as you will. Nothing's guaranteed in this market, but we'll see what happens here. Still stuck below the EMA. This is where I would have taken a second contract if I could afford it. But our break-even is going to be so close to it that I couldn't. Also, I do actually have to put break-even on for this trade now, sadly. I don't want to take a loss on this, but I don't want to take a break-even either. I have to, though. Good risk management.
Stop filled.
Have to take risk management when we can. There's a stop loss. Break-even, more than likely. Oi, oi, oi. This is going to be my last attempt, I think, is VWAP. What did we just hold? Did we hold nothing? We didn't even really hold anything. Just pulled back up in through there. Weird. That was a weird little moment right there, family. Long step back in. I would like these longs more if we actually took out this low. I don't like that we haven't. I'm not a fan that we haven't. If this VWAP is accurate, I think I'm going to take a short at it, guys. I don't know. I want to see this break to the downside, but I don't know. Gotta take off my buy order down there now. Buyers pushed up into the bottom of the 15-minute range. Excuse me, sorry. And sellers defended it, so let's see what happens now. If we do get a pull into the VWAP, I'm going to be taking an attempt of a short there. It'll be a quick one. Right now, though, we're getting stuck below this these couple wicks at the 780s. Mine went lower than yours, but I contacted support, see if my contract just isn't what it's showing on the dash, a back-end error or something. I'm really glad that you're not actually risking capital right now, newbie, but appreciate you keeping us informed too. Sadly, hers went lower and we weren't able to get the love on it. Lots of news this week. Lots of news this week, Sobs. Which means we could just be in a weird little price place to hold, but I don't know. I know not how we will handle it. I know not. Mondays. Hey, Coop. Good morning, King. Happy to have you here, brother. Means the most. Hope your weekend was stellar. Hope your week is starting off nice. Stuck below these 770s on the NAS right now. Painful. It's painful because this is where we would have been looking to grab some of it. We literally just had to take a stop loss there, and I shouldn't have, it seems like. Another little flag starting to form here. Don't know if this one's going to break, though. Oh, it's not where I wanted that bottom. Thank you. We're consolidating after moving down, guys. Our rules usually that we break out the way we broke in. Wanted to see some love, but we couldn't get any. Would still like to see Asia low. Me too. Me too, newbie. Queen Danny. Sadly, I got a little teased on my original chance at it. I'm going to take another stemp here. Stop loss is going to be, entries. Shorts are going to be in at the same price we just had.
Order filled.
This is the same price, essentially. A little bit less of a quality price, sadly, but... I want to see us try to take out these Asia lows at these 700s. Would be really stellar, especially if we can go break out this trend right now. Got to find these shorts to continue, though. Liking shorts, but Santa rally could start anytime now. I'm scared of the same thing, Sobs. Buys could get aggressive at any moment, and we will take it if it happens. We'll lose, and we'll be all right with it. Maybe yours is about to go there now because mine already swept New York low and teased Asia, but did not sweep it. Did not sweep Asia low, though. Okay. Teased it, but didn't sweep it. Lit. I be watching your stuff, fam. I'm Mo Millions. Means the most, King. Thank you for being here. Thanks for joining the conversation, Chet King. Welcome in, brother. Welcome to the family. Means a lot. So right now we're getting cooked. Wanting to see these sellers actually win, but I feel like, you know what I mean? I feel like that was our last little attempt from the sellers there. We're at a flat price here that I want to see defended from these longs. Otherwise, we could be murdered. We're going to get a VWAP attempt, aren't we? We're going to get a VWAP attempt, and it's going to reject it. But I'm going to get cooked for waiting, being a little too early. Wait, is this legal, or are we going to jail for insider trading? Oh, shit. Nah. There's no chance. There's no chance, because we don't even know if the price, if it plays out yet. And plus, they did it to you, so... we don't even know if we're going to be correct yet. I wanted to see this bottom break, but not getting a chance. Better fill for it would have been up here. Sadly, I took a really early entry there. Oi, NASDAQ. Touching into the bottom of the 15-minute range again. Lots of wicks been here. Shorts have been defending, but it's only a matter of time. As Saab said, the Santa rally. I'm halfway through an advanced alpha, waiting for 7 p.m. Ready for my first payout. Congratulations, man. Fuck yeah, Millions. I'm Mo Millions getting his first payout, man. Huge, King. Congrats. If Nancy Pelosi, so can we. Exactly. Thank you. Thank you, Sobs. If the Pelosi can do it, we can do it. Nice candle closure there, but not my favorite reaction. Still hoping to see some continuation to the downside through that price, but I actually think we're going to keep crawling higher now, sadly. I'm hesitating. I'm contemplating on just closing this at break even. Of course, it's going to come right back at us and contemplate, make me think harder. Let's see a low be taken out here then. I'm going to put break even on. Buy 5 stop. Break even is going to be on right now, essentially. Let's see this keep getting lower for us. Cut through here. Don't come break me even. Leave me alone. Leave my price alone. No, go away. I'm going to take a little bit on this. Taking a little bit of drawdown on this potential. I don't like that we tapped into that, but break even's on now. Sell. Sell. Do not come back in here. Sell. Through this trend, please. Through this little line in the sand here, please. This little line that I have drawn for you, girlie. Please. Yes, very good. Now keep going. A little bit lower, please. Do not look at my price anymore. Thank you. Very good. Very good. All right, guys. We're going to be putting our order in for the 704s. Looking for this trend to hold, and we're going to get all the way back to hold this wick and break even. Huh. Come on. Whippy day, guys. Take scalps if you can, because this is whipping. I want to be a part of the move to the downside, but sell through this yellow line. This fake yellow line. No, you're going to come give me a break even, huh? She just likes to do that. You know what I mean? She just likes to hit my lines that I don't want her to hit before she hits the ones I do want her to hit. Typical NASDAQ. Give me some selling through these 30s, please. Please get through here. The flatness at these 35s are going to be the obstacle, family. Sell off for the boys. Break and retest incoming. Come on. Come on. Dumb. Big black, no wick. One time for the kids. Been a while. But as you said, who knows? They could actually just be displaying the wrong contract. Exactly, newbie. We don't know anything. This looks like another false bear flag. Tap VWAP, then dump. I don't want this to be a false bear flag. I want this thing to actually print through this bottom for us. Give us a chance here, NASDAQ. Holder, she looks good. Retesting coming, in my opinion. I like that, Mo Millions. Let's go, kid. Come on, find some selling here, Nazi. Don't play with me. Don't even go back to my price. Leave me alone. I need you to find these 700s. I need you to go find these 700s out, please. Just go tell me how they look. And then if they're real, I'll be excited. Need some love here, NASDAQ. I know we're going to come retest the top of this trend line, and I'm just begging that you don't go fill the price up at 755 for me. I'm going to even get a little tighter here. Do not go up to 756. Don't do it. Do me so kind here, please. I have a feeling we're going to go take Asia low, guys. It's just, can I be a part of it without taking a stop? And I should probably afford myself a little bit more of a drawdown, but I just can't because of where we're at in the price. I have to respect the strategy. Come on, Nazi. Respect the strategy. Go find those 700s. Sellers are clearly stepping in here. There is some selling support, but we got to get through these flat bottoms, and this wick is going to be the next scary bottom. Come on, sellers. Through these 35s, we're looking chilling. Sellers eating right now. They're trying. It's fine. Get stopped in profit. Re-enter at better spot if trade is still valid. I like that, subs. He's right. It's not a big deal. We'll take a break even if it happens and then look for a better chance. But, man, this is a good chance right here. This is a decent chance. Let's see these sellers get heavy through these 30s. Come on, one time now. Big black, no wicks. Don't wick out of this. Show me a nice closure. Nice, strong closure. If we wick out of this, bad. If we strong close, good. Looking for the 700s here. Got to get through these 30s, guys. I think if we see the 30s, the next obstacle is obviously going to be this wick. But I think if we threw the 30s, I think we're good. Here we go. Here's the first little snap of through them. Did we even touch it? Nope. Now we just did. Now the sellers are trying here. Can we get some love? Oh my God. Don't do that. No wicks. I want to see some big, heavy, strong closes. Instead, it inverts perfectly. Yo, whoever said trading's easy, they lied to you guys. Come on, sellers. Let's go work. 40 is holding strong. Way too strong. I say move. I move stop loss. If it comes back up, it's fake. I agree, millions, but I just got to let it ride, King. I got to keep our strategy for break even. If we do come back up, I wouldn't want to see our price get filled anyway at this point. I agree that for the overall direction, I think sellers are going to win the day. I think we're going to go see these Asia lows be taken out eventually. Now we have another wick to trade through. Here we go. Got to get through this wick now. Come on, sellers. Big blacks, no wicks. Get through here. Pushing that buttons are easy. The mental is so fucking hard. That's it, queen. Hitting the buttons is the easy bit. I don't want to see that wick out. Show me some strong candle closures, Nazi. A little too whippy for me today. Here we go now. Let's go take out this wick. Got to see some continuation from our selling friends here. Here we go. Go take out this bottom at these 720s. From there, 700 are a lock. Nothing's a lock in trading ever, but if we take out this wick, which we just did, I don't want to see another one. Do not want to see another wick forming here. This needs to close fairly strong for us. If this wicks, we have a good chance of staying in the range, guys. Now we're free trading. We're free riding. I have my stop loss back at the 56s, looking for the 704s. It's not going to be easy because we are forming another fat wick at a spot where we have a double bottom. So we're going to be forced to earn it, but we'll see. Maybe we can get it. Big blacks, no wicks. Come on, sellers. Let's go work. Love the energy, king. Big blacks, no wicks. Can we get there? Let it ride. Remember, you can only lose 100% but win 2,000%. Let's fucking go, Pobby. Mine Tradeify is just black now. I guess they locked me out, but I did see that they ran the low first. Hey, she said we ran the lows first. Show me some love. Mac is super red, so sellers are in control. Now dump. Come on, queen. Get us through the bottom here. Bring us those Asia lows. Before I take a trade, I say no balls just to build more confidence. TLI. No testicles. No testicles. Yo, there's already 26 amazing people spending the morning with me, guys. It means the most. If you haven't yet, show some love to the like button. It's the easiest way to support the stream if you're here frequently, if you find any value whatsoever. And if you're not in this conversation with this community, you're doing yourself a massive disservice because we're getting better and bigger every day. You doing 1NQ? Yeah, I'm in 1NQ right now, Max. I'm in 1NQ right now, and it was looking pretty decent, but now the longs wanted to hold this wick bottom, and I think we're going to get a stop loss, and it's going to make me sad. Or a break even, and it's going to make me sad. Next defense is this EMA. We got to see the sellers defending here if we want to find any support. Nice little wick. Let's see it close strong. Now I want to see a wick now. Big white wick, please. Sellers are going to defend this double bottom nicely, aren't they? I hate that we swept that low with that. We swept the low, so there's nothing guaranteed about where we're going now. Nothing's ever guaranteed in the NASDAQ, but if that low was unprotected, I was always going to be targeting that bottom of that wick. But now that it's traded through, it's a gamble from here, to be completely fair. Back at the 40s, the stubborn 40s. Newbie said they sold through before she left us. Let's see it. Before they banned her, blocked her thing, whatever. Gave her the black screen. Another attempt. Can we get through these wicks? Now we have two big bottoms here at these 720s to break. And then I want to see the 700s she traded. Come on, Nazi. Show us some love through here. Big spot, though. The longs could easily pop in here, guys. Longs could easily pop in here at any moment. I think I might be looking for a scalp here if we can't get this rotation. Come on, sellers. Through these 720s. Big black, no wick. Bring us to the Asia low. It can be a done deal. Sham bam. Thank you, ma'am. Give me all of the turkey ham. I'm starving. Let's find these lows one more time, Nazi. 720's got a break. From there, I'm looking for the 704s as my exit price. Asia low is 7000 exactly. Ayo, big white wick. Come on. Give me that big white wick. 3 more legs. Come on, guys. Yo, there's already 3 legs away from our goal. You guys are so fucking supportive. Thank you. We put in a new low of day. Yours already did it. I don't know after that. They took it. Guess it should have snitched on myself. LOL. Yeah, you snitched. You telling us to all the goodies, newbie. They're like, okay, we gotta keep this girl quiet. Hey, yo, big white wick. Bobby. Like to stream up for the boy. Let's go work. Don't know about the Asia low. Big blacks, no wicks. Bears, take the wheel and drive off the cliff. Take the wheel. Jesus, take the wheel. And show me where I should be. As it's just a big old candle to hell pops in. Here we go, NASDAQ. Testing out these 720s again. I like the weakness in the longs. Sellers are clearly in control. Let's ride. Let's ride. I'm going to look for a little bit lower than Asia low now, I think, guys. And here's my reasoning. We're consolidating at the big spot here. And if these continue to... I don't like that we just snapped it again, though. Another snap of the low and another hold from the longs. That is not attractive. I don't want to keep seeing these snaps and then wicks. We're almost flat on the day now, family. This is how I'm going to manage this trade. I'm going to let us try to break through this. And I'm actually going to look for... Oh, God, such a nice exit, though. I was going to try to look for more and then just keep adjusting my take profit. Trying to look for the rest of this account or trade. But that's what we're going to do for now. I'm going to bring these down lower. Look for like the 680s, 670. I think I need to like pass these accounts. And then I'm going to just keep trailing our profit. Can we get through this low bottom here, though? Can we find the actual selling? I imagine a big old black no wick candle is going to come in through here. Or we're going to get stopped at that moment. Should literally leave my break even closer, but... Look at us. Look at us holding this previous wick. I want to see these sellers come take out this Asia low bad. I'm just going to take a Asia low exit, guys. I'm being greedy. I'm taking an Asia low exit. Bears, take the wheel. Ride it till 650. I know. That's kind of what I'm feeling. But it's so dangerous. I don't like where we're at. How much can you make today, Ty? I only need $1,000. I actually could make 500 and be done with it today. Because we need 1,500 to pass these accounts. And I have to do it in 2 days. So I could make 500 today. Or I could make 1,000 today. I was trying to make 1,000, obviously, ideally. But we could make 5 if we need to. Can we stop stretching lower and then wicking through? It's giving me anxiety. It's stressing me out, NASDAQ. I don't like it. Big old print candle to my profit, please. That's what I'm asking. It's a big old print candle right to my profit, please. 8 more minutes. How much can you make today? Big blacks, no wicks. Come on, sellers. Let's go work. Just dump already. It's trolling, isn't it, Danny? 714s. I have a 701 exit. Get down there then. Just go say hi to it. Say, hi, my name is NASDAQ. Hi, my name is NASDAQ. This is the 703 price, or 701, please. Get down here, girl. Come say hi to me. Introduce yourself, but be kind. 706, a little 706 bounce. Surely you say 701 is more attractive than 706. Here we go, 705s. Can I get a 4 more? Can I get a 701?
Order filled.
Beautiful exit there. Beautiful, pretty nice, clean delivery. Got the volume all the way through there, guys. Now we have to close this order. Okay. All right. Now, ladies. Yeah. 2 days, 750. WW Day, let's go. Appreciate y'all. Work, Diego Saab, showing the energy, showing the love. Y'all are great. Y'all is the best. We're not out of the woods, though, family. We need either 100 and... Excuse me. All excited. Choking on air over here. W Trade King, thank you, newbie. Max, love the support. Guys, we only need $120 now for the 500, and then I could go for 1,000 tomorrow. Or we look for another 600 and go for the 5 tomorrow. What time is it? 7:20, 10:24. We got 30 more minutes together. Oh... This is kind of what I was saying, guys. I think we're going to find more selling here, and I was a little intimidated, but I really should have just continued to trail profit and then I should have been looking for like 650 and then trailed profit. But, you know, who knows? I'm holding a runner. W, Danny. That's what I was kind of saying. We should have had a little runner going. Go for half. 750 could work, and then make 750 tomorrow. It could be that way. We're halfway to 750 now. Bump, 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 bump. What do we do? How do we do? What do we do? How do we do? Say, look, I told you guys, because of all this consolidation bullshit, I should have been more willing to reach lower, because typically with the way that we were facilitating all this action, like trades, it wouldn't have just like, look at this bull flag play out, Bobby. You know what I'm saying? Nice little bear flag play out, a little nice right there. But yeah, you guys seeing what my reasoning for thinking I should have did what I didn't do? I should have looked for more here and just trailed my profit down accordingly, because my stop lot down accordingly, because this is what I was expecting. A little bit more of a push. Just because of all the range. Also, sellers are clearly in control. We were up at the, we were all the way up at the 860s today. So we're down 200 points so far. This would have been this would have been almost us finishing our, this is what I'm saying. Gosh, that was a terrible exit because I knew better. Bad exit. Now look at it. That's us passing our accounts. Terrible, Tyler. Terrible. Go for half W's. When she finally goes, she goes. I know, Danny. When she goes, she goes. And I held through all the bullshit. That's where I'm upset with myself. I held through all the bullshit and then got out before the fun happens. Why did I do that? No, why did I do that? I held for all the bullshit and got out for the fun. It feels bad. It feels really bad. Yo, Paul, you said hold for the 650s, King. 650s would have been us passing, and we just hit those 57s now. A little pat on the wrist there. A little slap on the wrist. You got to be better. You got to know better. We know better. We held through all the consolidation, and we got out for the fun. Why? Because I just wanted the easy money. I wanted to relieve my anxiety. That's why. I wanted to relieve the stress I had of the chance that this trade was going to go against us. Do we think we start finding some longs now? Is it possibly time for the longs now? Well, it was still a great trade. You managed it perfectly. Got out of the area of potential reverse. Don't beat yourself up over a green day. W subs. That's a king mindset, because he's right. No reason to add extra bullshit if we had a good trade. But I'm just always trying to get better, right? Always trying to improve. Always trying to state what we could have done better. And right there, and the thing is, I even said it before I did it. I was like, I might look for lower and then go for break even and then trail. But then I doubted myself, and we don't like to doubt ourselves. You know what I'm saying? All good, Ty. Following your rules, always better. Let's go, work you right. So down on the day. Hope y'all are up, though. Sorry to hear it, May. We're here for you, brother. Right now, we got a little bit of love on that last trade there, but we took a big loss earlier, so we're only up a little bit, but we're up. Sorry to hear it. Monday's been tough for you, King. Mondays are always a little tricky. Mondays make me want to be throw up. Pulled back into the EMA here. Back at those 700s. That was the Asia low tap. A little retest of the Asia low. EMA rejection. God, I have the hiccups now too. Stop it. Uh-oh. Hiccups are going to be annoying. EMA rejection. Dump it. Come on, Paul. We did reject the EMA, and also the EMA was the Asia low tap. So looking at the higher time frame, price is nasty. It's just a chop zone. Exactly. Look at this hourly chart. Gross. I could imagine even higher is worse. Oh, well, I'm going to stay at the hour. Make it easy then. Yeah, gross. Yeah, gross. So you guys, look at this. I just could have sat through all this extra stuff with now being filled at my original TP. You know what I'm saying? Do you feel me? Do you feel me, though? No, but do you, like, feel me, though? I think I want to try a long down here, guys. Quick stop loss. Makes me nauseous. I don't really want to fade this trend, but I think that we're going to have the other side of the curve coming in here. W, May, tomorrow will be your day. Let's go work. Good energy, King. Absolutely. Kind of want to take a long down here, guys, but it's making me nauseous. I don't love having to counteract this trend, but I do think we're going to find buy side of the curve right now. Possibly back into around this range, but I might be hands off. Yo, there's 30 people watching. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for being here. If you haven't yet, show some love. Hit that like button and join this community. Subscribe and hop in this comment section. We're getting bigger and better as a community every day. We're all improving, sharing insights. Don't miss out. You looking for an impulse move? I was kind of looking for an impulsive move to the upside, but overall trend to the downside, so don't do it. That's why I had it. That's why I can't personally. I'm sitting on my hands, but I do think that we're going to find some buy side right now. But I'm just going to have to do it without me. Let's go, May. I see he about to click those buys. I was in there, Paul, but I got out of there. Yo, bro, you really live stream every morning, dropping sauce? You are a king. Let's go. Switch a lane. Yes, sir, brother. Every single morning, King. Hop in here. Welcome to the family. Welcome in, King. You are home now. Happy you're here, though, for real. NASDAQ wants to push to the upside here from the 700s. We now inverted the Asia low, right? So these 700s were the Asia low. We pushed through, and now we're starting to reclaim. So be patient in here. I'm in here every day now. I found home for real. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Welcome to the kingdom. Ow! Just found a new family member, guy. Love it. Means the most. Means the most. Good luck trading. Right now, I want to see us push up, but it's going to have to do it without me. Welcome, gang. Let's go, Paul. Way to show some love, Danny. Oh, guys, I guess I got to just look for a little move. I guess I'm probably going to do maybe the 500 today. I don't know. See, I'd be right now because I would have been up around like 15 points. But how much risk I would have been putting on for 15 points was not really worth it. I also just bought a Top Step account, Brody. Hey, good luck, King. Top Step's the GOAT, but be careful with them because they will treat you like a number after a while. So any advice for me? I'm a beginner. Oh, switch. What I'm going to say, King, is just realistically start small, right? Have good expectations of yourself because, like, obviously trading's fun. It's like, holy shit, I can make a lot of money. I can do all this shit, whatever. It's easy. I'm hitting buttons. I don't got to do anything. All those things. But, dude, it's a hard fucking game, and it gets you in the moments where you drop your guard and expectations. So just expect it to be hard. Like every time you take a loss, be like, yeah, what did I expect? This is a fucking, I'm trading for the rest of my life, trying to trade for my future, trade for freedom, trade to change my family's lives. It's not going to be easy. We're literally trying to will, for some of us, depending on your number, I'm trying to will millions of dollars into my life. Why would I expect that to be easy, right? Like I'm trying to will my fortune for my family, freedom for myself and for the people I care about. Why would I expect that to be easy, right? So I'm always just giving myself the expectation that this is gonna be fucking hard. And then once you got that in your head, just find a small strategy, King. Stick to it. Be consistent. Again, with the expectation that it's not gonna be easy. And just if you keep showing up, bro, I promise you, 3 months, a year, 2 years, it's different for everybody, but eventually you'll find profitability. And you'll just get a better sense of everything. And then you'll be here giving people advice, King. So keep going, brother. You're on the way. Proud of you for starting. That's the hardest part for a lot of people. That's real, bro. I needed to hear that. Let's go, Mil. Need to hear that, King. Took a few take profit accounts with your code over the weekend, TFF. Hey! Took a few TPT accounts with your code over the weekend. Mad Max. I don't even know. WU, King. Are you... I'm gonna have to look at that. I don't even think I'm a partner with TPT, brother. Did you actually? Did it work? Did you get a bonus discount, King? I'm stoked if you did. I think you might have supported someone else that's trading for freedom with that, which respect to them. That's badass to me. Yeah, I don't think I'm with Take Profit Trader, King. Crazy. I'm not even with them. I need to hear that. Keep the good vibes coming. Let's go, Corey. You got this shit. I've had a massive payouts before and I'm back, but failing props had me like, what the fuck did I lose it? But now I got that touch again. You got it, King. It's a game of attrition. It takes time. It takes endurance. The people that want to win quickly, they're in and out of the game fast. You want to be in this game for seriousness, for real dollars, for fortune, for family, for freedom. It's gonna take a lot of time. It takes effort. Again, we're trying to will something so grand into our lives. It takes effort. It takes time. W Max, 90% discount. Oh wait, that's not you. It gave me the 30% off. I fucking love it, Max. Congrats, King. I don't know who you supported, brother, but hey, I'm okay with that. Trading for freedom. That means that if I want to be with TPT, I gotta ask that. No. All right, let me sign up for TPT real quick. Let's go sign up. Email. I'm gonna sign up for them. See if I can apply. That means that when I do want to go TFF, I won't be able to get it. That makes me so sad. That's our code, family. Trade for freedom. I was actually in talks with Tradeify over the weekends to maybe get a code for them. And guess what we got? Trading for freedom. So now if we have to trade anything that's not that, I don't want it. If it's not trading for freedom, I don't want it. You know what I mean? Like, if it's not trading for freedom, I don't even want it then. Oh, wait, that's not yours? Oh, damn, I was hoping it was you, LOL. I appreciate the support, though, Max. Even you wanting to, King, means the most, for real. Thank you, brother. But whoever you did support, I'm happy for them, too. And also, I'm happy because you used the right code. You know what I'm saying? The only one that we care about. Trading for freedom, baby. Bum, ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum, bum, bum. Alright, let's just see. I just signed up with TPT now. Oh my god, you have to verify your identity right away. God, I'm not doing that right now. So, alright, that's cool. Didn't know that. Going back to OG code BBC. Let go, TLR. Big Black, no wicks though. It was BBW, baby. Big Black wicks. That's the problem. Is I wanted it to be that, but we couldn't. We'd be up a little bit of points right now, family, if we took that long when I said to, but it's still like very low risk or low reward, high risk. Not really worth what we're looking for. We're going to be more patient. We still got a little bit of money to make today, so let's find a good opportunity for it. There are 27 people watching, though, family. It means so much to spend your morning here with us. If you haven't, show some love. Hop in here. Join this community. We're just getting better. That's what we're doing. Community is smashing trades consistently. We're getting better. And it's so much fun. BBWs need love too. It's a big old BBW. Nothing like a BBW, if you know what I'm talking about. There's just nothing like it. All right, guys, we need at least 120 points if we want to call it for the day. Otherwise, we still need some love. I think sellers are winning right now. Like, even for the end of the day, I still think they're going to end up winning. I think we're going to find some more selling maybe. But it's going to be through these 700s if they do. If not, we're going to push right back up. Let's be patient, find out what happens. It is a Monday, guys, so we have the rest of the week, and there are going to be some news events this week as well. So don't get overzealous. Try to protect your accounts. Leave yourself some chance to make some monies. Let's see what we can do here. Let's see what type of love we can find. See what type of trouble we can get into. By the way, guys, Maximilian, Mr. Max NQ was going to be in here today, but he let me know he couldn't make it. So maybe Friday. I don't want to tease you guys, but I'm looking to have a community stream Friday. So it's either going to be Max if he can, or potentially somebody else if y'all are interested. Let me know who you might want to have. Let me know who would be comfortable with being on here, because of course, you guys don't have to hop on and show your trades and everything, but that's kind of what we're looking to do. Hop in, share some insight, share your experience, share your story, everything like that. And, yeah, just get a taste of it. But we'll see how it goes. Again, it was going to be Maxi, but it was going to be today with him, but he couldn't do it. So we'll see what happens. But just to give you guys a heads up that we're going to have a community stream this week, either Friday, either going to be Max or somebody. Somebody to love. We're at these 700s, guys. This is the Asia low, right? So now we're retesting this price. If we could push from here, it could get pretty explosive. If we break through here, sellers are in control. This gray line is the daily print. So anything below this, we're printing bullish, bearish. Anything above, we're printing bullish. Let's go take a look at it real quick. Yeah, I mean, this is, if you look at the daily chart, that's pretty ugly. Just slowly reaching up each day. Has been pretty consistent for like the last week. But now we're stuck at the highs and found some selling, and now we're struggling to push through. So I think sellers are in control for the day at the moment. It is a no news Monday, so we could get a reversion, but let's just see. You know what I mean? Let's just take a gander and take a little peek. This is getting closer and closer to a no trade type of volume. We're slowed up quite a bit here at the end of the move. We're getting close to the end of our hour where the market's usually doing the fun stuff. So right now things have been a little bit interesting. I'd be hesitating to put any positions on. If you guys are feeling the urge to trade, I'd be patient right now. Not a lot of opportunity. Very low volume, exactly. Sellers took control to push us down this low. And now they're just trying to do their thing. We're back into this zone, so... Excuse me, mamma mia. We have a nice little trend here that we can recognize, guys. It's almost this steep too, actually. And then if you didn't even want it to be that steep, you can kind of put it like here. Lots of a very specific trend here. So I guess this could give us a new opportunity for another entrance. We either base above this, we can start looking for us to come back into the range, short VWAP, or we can just continue to hold below and push lower for shorts to continuation. But don't really love either thing. We're in the middle. Let's be patient. We're right below Asia low at these 700s, so let's give it a little bit of room. Let it tell us what it wants. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to read it. I'm trying to let it tell me what it wants. And that might be lower. That might be basing through this trend line for some pushback into the range. I don't know. The volume's too slow to know. I take a short at 763 and out now. Did see more down or reverse from here. I actually like that short a lot, I mean. Glad you got out, King, but I like that we could get pushed lower here. I still think maybe. Feeling long is no cap. Okay, TLR, I like that. Not a bad emphasis. We're holding the Asia low. If we push through this trend line and push above Asia low, we could easily find some more buyers to push us to VWAP. So definitely in a spot where things get interesting, but we're in the middle right now. I'm trying to be patient. Break 60, 70. Break 670, this could get ugly. I agree. If we break to the downside there, we could go find those 400 or 500. Probably, realistically. Wait a minute. Yeah, this is Friday prices, right? Over here. Because if so, then I definitely think we can go get Friday low, maybe. I think that's his Friday prices. Let me go take a quick gander here. Yeah. Yep. So, yeah. I mean, family, we could come take out Friday lows here. I didn't even notice this either. This little spot down here at these 651s, which are pretty attractive. And then from there, those Asia Friday lows down to the 580s could be potential. Could be a potential touch there. But right now, turning at these 670s, basing above the Asia low, trying to break through this trend line. We're right in the middle, guys. I'd advise to be patient right now. Lots of chances to either go take out this Friday low or push back up. But right now, there's not enough information, so let's just let it decide. Yeah, we react from the Friday high and now sweep candle open, now low. If buyers hold these zones, maybe we see some ranges. The only thing I would have liked, Amin, is that we actually, if you look here, we avoided Friday high. So Friday high was the 868s. This is what I was taking my original trade off this morning. This original $1,000 loss. I was kind of anticipating us to go take out this Friday high. From there, I was going to maybe look for shorts. But we never even swept it. We avoided it by, 7 points. So now us going to the bottom would be interesting. Or we just range, like he said. We could just chop in the middle. Uglier when it breaks 650, for sure. 580-ish. That's that Friday low. Yeah. I think that's a possibility. Again, though, we did avoid Friday high, so who knows? Maybe we just continue to stay in the range. Yeah, we failed to hit Friday high. Sellers equal sellers in. I like that. It's a fair analysis. If we couldn't do it, then the longs are weak. I see you. I see you. I don't want to end the day up $400, family. We're going to have to try to find another spot here, but the volume is not looking conducive to anything attractive, so if we did end the day at 400, I need 1100 tomorrow, and we won't be able to do that. So I'd have to have a 4-day pass, and we're not doing that. We're not doing that. You hear me? That's dangerous. Yeah, we failed to hit Friday highs. Protect the gains. Queen saying don't do it. Queen saying don't do it. Quick scalp, Max? I don't know, buddy. It might be time. We got 13 minutes here. Let's see if we can find something. See if we can find something. I'm not going to force anything, though. If we base above this trend line, I'm just going to take a quick scalp for a long. I still really think shorts are dangerous, but we'll see. Excuse me. Yeah, I would. If we base above this trend, I'm taking a quick scalp long. It's dangerous always, but I don't like that we're still failing to break back above Asia low as well. we're going sideways right now. Pretty balanced price. I would wait for the next 1 hour candle. It's not a bad idea at all, Paul, especially if you have the time. Right now, though, I don't really have that luxury. We're going to be finished trading and streaming before that. So hopefully we can find some love here. Again, I just want to see a little tiniest base. I don't mind us to hold this bottom. We swept through all these lows, pushed back up, retesting this previous bottom where we had this push through. I think a closure and above these 700s, I'm going to be pretty long. Raise your hand if you're a real ninja. Hey, if you're a real ninja, hey. Let's go, Bobby. Geez, volume is dead. I know. It's not really fun right now, Queen. Yo, what's good, fam? How you been? Yo, Sice. What's up, King? Doing great, man. Welcome back. Hope you're doing well. Trades been good? Yeah, man. Trades have been good. I went through a little brutal period there after our last payouts in September. Went through like 7 or 8 weeks of just damage. We took it, but feeling back to it. I think the market's starting to respect our strategy a little bit more. Finally feeling positive just overall. Things have been good, man. How you doing? How's trading been? Hey, boss, can I ask what strategy you use if you don't mind? Yeah, not at all, Switch. Appreciate you, King. There's not a specific strategy. Like, I'm not like an ICT, inverse fair value gap type of thing. I'm more of like a little bit of a discretionary with supply and demand. So I'm basically trading supply and demand levels, these big levels like this 700 that we were looking for. The reason I was looking for the top of this wick, like I look for outside edges in supply and demand by spots that sellers and buyers had previously showed up on. And then I'll usually take them with like a retest. So like this one was an EMA touch. Again, that's where the supply and demand with a little bit of discretionary comes in. And that discretionary is just like different decision-making things at certain levels. Because sometimes you can be at a nice level, but there's reasons telling you not to take a trade. So yeah, I could hope that helps, Switch. Supply and demand is basically if you want to find a strategy to start with that though, King. Moving stop to break even. Don't like the sideways shit. If it takes me out, so be it. Yeah, I like a break even right now, King. It is scary. How you fuck with Tradeify? Tradeify is amazing, honestly, so far, Sice. I haven't played with them a whole lot. These are literally my first ever combines, and they're going good. We're halfway to passing them. But yeah, I really like their deal for the daily payouts. I think it's the best in the prop firm industry right now. It is literally 40% more money in your bank account for trading than any other prop firm. So literally, if I bring these accounts, guys, right? So say I pass these, we get funded, whatever, and then we bring those funded accounts because I'm copy trading. So say I bring the account to 10 grand times 5 for copy trading. I can take out 8 days or 7 days of $5,000 payouts. So it's $35,000 in your bank account comparatively to the top step, which would be like 25. And then they would take their split. So it's like 22. It'd be like 27. So it's like $5,000 to $6,000 more to bring these Tradeify accounts up. So pretty attractive. Of course, Switch, no worries, King. What do you trade with, Sice? Who do you still top step or what? Thanks for the idea on discretionary decision making. Very good thing to me to go on study. Let's go, Sonny. Absolutely. Like I said, sometimes you'll be at a nice level where even though it's like a classic supply and demand or whatever, or whatever your strategy is, I still always bring discretionary in terms of volume, in terms of market news, in terms of, it could be anything that makes you kind of hesitate a little bit or change your opinion. Wait, what? So which prop firm should I use? Not Top Step? I didn't hear you. Sorry. No, as a beginner, Top Step is a great one to use if you're new and learning. It's a little bit gamified, so understand that the project or the platform you're gonna get used to, Project X, is really, really user friendly. It's useful and it's easy, but it is gamified and induces gambling a little bit. So just keep that in mind. And if you want to switch over and learn something like Tradeify early, you can, just because it might give you that ability to. Might give you that little bit of support since it's going to be different. Look at this right now, guys. Teasing the low here with another wick. What do we think? Damn, I didn't know that. Is there any major rules for those payouts? No, TLR. You just gotta pass. You just gotta pass their account with 3 days of funding or passing. So that's the difference, right? Usually most of these are 1 day pass, 2 day pass. This is a 3 day pass. You have to make 2,500 to stretch across 3 days. Well, minimum of 3 days. You have to do 40%. So I'm doing 1,000, 1,500, and then once you get that, You just got to trade the accounts with 4 micros. I think is your 4 contracts you're capped at, 4 minis. And then from there, yeah, if you can bring up to 10 grand, you get 7 days straight of $5,000 payouts. What would that feel like? Oh, what would that feel like? We're going to find out. That's where our goal is, family. We're going to find out. Give me 659 and I'm locking out. Give him the 59s and he's done for the day. And it pulls right back in towards the 80 sobs. Tough, King. I got to call it a day, too. We got 8 more minutes here before stream typically ends at 11. Europe closes at 11 as well. We're right back to this trend line that we're struggling to break through. I don't really love anything here. I don't want to force anything, but I don't want to leave us to being in the sand tomorrow. What do we do, family? What do we think? It's straight free trade. It's free trade, King. Either break even or love. Either break even or profit, baby. Well, quick scalp. I know TLR, but we're not even getting enough points for it to really work like that, King. That's what's struggling me out. I'd have to do that with like 2 contracts. That's how low volume is right now. We only need 11 points, though. We need... No, not even. I need 6 points. I need 6 points. I can find 6 fucking points, right? Let's find 6 points real quick. This is gambling, though. I don't recommend this. You can always take it off stream, too. I could, Max, but I like to stream every trade right here for you guys. Documenting the process for myself. Document the process for you guys. Show you what it takes to get through some of the small mental barriers that we all deal with as traders. Like right now, this conundrum. Do I gamble the last $500? Do I look for 6 points? Or do I be a good little trader? Like a good little trader and wait and just stretch it across another day? Quick scalp, in and out. You can always take it off stream too. I just made 1,500 with 3. What you mean? That's exactly what I'm saying. I need more than 1 contract to do it. I'm saying I don't want to trade 2 or 3 contracts. I'm saying there's not much range going on right now, so I would need more with 1 contract. Let's dump now, please. But I guess even then you're short for the new lows. It does feel like we're gonna go take out new lows here, huh? Be a good little trader. Practice discipline. Let's go, Mo. You only need $100. You right. You right. That's all I need. All I need is $100. Little 6 points. Little 6 points, and I want it, but I feel bad. I want to short into this low, but there it goes. And there goes the low. New low a day in the NASDAQ here, guys. Reaching it down into the 651s. Crazy. I'm out. Let's go, Saba. You too, Danny? You in this short too, Queen? We need 6 points, guys. We can make 6 points, right? Yes, from the Asia low at. Let's go. 2 micro, 64 points. Stay blessed, y'all. Let's go, Sobs. Too easy, King. You deserve that one. Swept the low here. We swept the low here. Right back into this trend line, right back into the EMA. What do we think? Tempted to take a short off that, but I don't like that we swept the low and have volume price holding. I don't know. I know not, darling. Right, bloody good. Very good then. Chumney. Very good. Up into 683s here. Yeah, I'm looking for a long now. I'm going to look for a quick long scalp. This is dangerous. Don't do as I do. Thing is either way, we're going to be forced to trade a third day if I take a wrong trade right now. It doesn't matter. You know what I mean? Like, either way, we're going to have to be looking for a third trade. So, let's try it. Buy 5 limit. Looking for a quick scalp.
Order filled.
Can we get some love? Can we get a little bit of love, Nazi? Not asking for much. Although I am asking you to counter your trend here. Expecting an impulsive move to the upside here. Not looking for a lot. Oh, come on, Naz. I'm expecting an impulsive move to the upside for at least a few points. Instead, we're the absolute top tick. God. Well, I don't want to see you take lows now. Get back up to that trend line. This bottom here is where I don't want to really let anything else get to, but I should have already. NASDAQ, you're making me feel bad. Why are you doing this? Completely counter trend now. You should have shorted that fucking volume pop. It's classic. Golly. Sellers are just clearly in control. If I close this, they're going to find buyers here too. Yeah. Yeah.
Order filled.
Yeah. So now we have to trade again anyways, guys. You see how that didn't really work out for us? You see how we have to do it in 3 days now anyways? Because that didn't really work out for us at all? Motherfucker. Oh my god. Oh, don't even pretend right now with me, NASDAQ. I can't handle that. Do not pretend with me right now. The 650.25 price is hard for sellers to break it. Buyers there. Good luck. Gee, you were liquidity. I was liquidity. Fake out bull trap candle. You work today, King? Yeah, I'm working. I gotta get out of here. Go to work. All good. Yo, we quite a day. We looked for the little extra there. Couldn't get any love. Sellers are still clearly in control though. I'm gonna join the shorts one time, guys. And it doesn't go with me. I was trying to just get a little bit of something there, but no love. Guys. 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 All right, we already have to trade for 3 days, so this is my last quick little attempt. I'm gonna take 2 contracts per account and look for a tiny scalp. Try if we can make it happen here. We need a little bit of love. I think we're gonna keep finding lower lows here. I want to just join on each candle trying to do it, but this is low volume. Give me a decent opportunity. Pop back up into a fill here, even though I just did it to 46s. Still reaching lower here. Oh! Oh! If it pulls back into this EMA, that's the thing. It's not going to give me another EMA tap, though. If I want to join for a quick scalp, we got to get in quicker. I still want to short this deep in the hole. We're down 218. I got to trade for 3 days anyways. Fuck, dude. I didn't want to have to do it in 2 more days, family. But that's looking like where we're at.
Order filled.
We're looking for a quick scalp. Not my favorite. Not my favorite here. Had a nice reaction, but can't find the continuation. I'm looking for just a little push. Just a little pushy push here. Tiniest little scalp, you know what I mean, Nasdaq? Are you with me, girl? Or are you going to go up to the EMA here and make me nervous? Oh, you're going to go up to the EMA here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you're going to reclaim. Where my selling friends at? It's funny, because we got the scalp, guys, but I wasn't happy with it. Push off that price. Go take out those lows again, Nazi. Oh, what am I hesitating on that scalp for? Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Get down there. Push off that EMA. Oh, God. Get back through that EMA, Nazi. Hold. Sell. Sell the lows here. Sell the lows here.
Order filled.
I'm out at break even. I ain't doing it. I'm gambling. This is not my conducive trading. We're down 200 on the day, guys. 270 technically. Bummer. We were looking to get it done. Couldn't get it done. So now we have to trade in 2 days anyways. We have 1,200 to make to pass these accounts. Feeling good about it. A little unlucky there, but had to get out for risk management. So WDate, I hope everyone has a great day, and I'll make sure everyone gets some sun. Let's go. We're good energy, King. I appreciate every single person stopping in, sharing the morning with me. Good luck trading. If y'all haven't, if y'all are, just be patient, be cautious. We have a whole week of news ahead, so it could get interesting. But yeah, that's what we could get into today. Danny, Pobby, Wirt, Paul, Millions, welcome into Amin, Sobs, Timothy, Mad Mags, Switch. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for stopping in. Thanks for spending the morning. Oh, look at me. I was afraid, but now look at us. Another quick scalp.
Order filled.
Oh, now we just swept my price. Came in with the volume. I want to see some continuation. No, don't do me dirty. Are we on the buy side of the curve now? All right, this is terrible. This is terrible of me. Makes me nauseous. Down 591. I'm ass. I say I'm done. I poke it again. All right, guys. I'm actually out of here. Enjoy the rest of y'all day. Drink some sun. Get some water. Hug somebody you love. And we'll be back tomorrow, family. Happy Monday. I appreciate you guys. Take it easy. I had to poke it one more, Pobby. All right. I love you guys. Peace.